If you're serious about improving your tennis game, choosing the right racket can make a huge difference. But with so many options available in 2026, finding the perfect balance of power, spin, control, comfort, and maneuverability can be surprisingly difficult. That's why in this video, we're taking a look at the 5 best tennis rackets for 2026, from powerful all-rounders to spin-focused and precision-oriented frames. We'll break down what makes each racket special, who it's best suited for, and which one offers the best overall performance. So, whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use racket or an experienced player searching for that extra edge on the court, stay tuned until the end to find out which racket takes our number 1 spot. Number 5. Babolat Pure Drive Team 11th Gen. First up, we have the Babolat Pure Drive Team 11th Gen, a racket built for players who want explosive power without sacrificing maneuverability. This model features a 100 square inch head, a relatively lightweight 285-gram unstrung frame, and a 16 by 19 string pattern, giving it a versatile combination of power, spin, and easy handling. One of its biggest highlights is Babolat's FSI power technology, which is designed to increase the trampoline effect of the strings for greater depth and easier power. The racket also incorporates NF Superscript 2 Tech 2.0 flax fibers, helping filter unwanted vibrations and provide a more comfortable response at impact. The HTR system adds torsional stability and energy return, while the elliptical frame design helps the racket remain stable when you accelerate through the ball. If effortless power and all-around versatility are your priorities, the Babolat Pure Drive Team 11th Gen is definitely a racket worth considering for 2026. And number 4. Senston 19-inch, 23, 25, Kids Junior Tennis Racket. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly tennis racket for a young player, the Senston Kids Junior Tennis Racket is a practical option worth checking out. What makes this racket especially useful is the choice of 19-inch, 23-inch, and 25-inch sizes, allowing parents to choose a frame that better matches the child's age and size. The 19-inch version is designed for very young beginners, while the larger versions are aimed at older junior players. The racket uses a lightweight aluminum construction, making it easier for kids to swing and control while learning the fundamentals of tennis. For example, the 23-inch version weighs around 210 grams unstrung and features a 92 square inch head, providing a manageable setup for developing players. And number 3. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. Next up is the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, a lightweight recreational racket designed to make tennis easier and more forgiving, especially for beginners and improving players. One of its biggest advantages is the oversized 110 square inch head, which creates a large sweet spot and gives you more forgiveness when you don't make perfect contact. The racket also uses Wilson's hammer technology, which helps generate easy power from shorter, more compact swings. At around 8.4 ounces unstrung, with a 27.5-inch length and a head-heavy balance, the Hyper Hammer 5.3 is built to remain easy to maneuver while adding stability and momentum through the ball. Its 16 by 20 string pattern is also designed to provide a useful combination of power and spin. The Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 is a great choice for recreational players who prioritize easy power, forgiveness, lightweight handling, and a large sweet spot. If you're just getting into tennis or want a comfortable racket for casual play, this one deserves a serious look. And number 2. Head TS6. Next up, we have the Head TS6, a legendary choice for beginners and recreational players who want maximum power with minimal effort. The TS6 features a huge 115 square inch head, an ultra-lightweight construction, and a 16 by 19 string pattern. This oversized head creates a generous sweet spot, making the racket much more forgiving when your shots don't land perfectly in the center. One of its biggest strengths is its titanium and graphite construction. Head combines these materials to keep the frame lightweight while maintaining stiffness and stability. At roughly 8.6 ounces strung, it is extremely easy to maneuver, making it particularly well-suited to players with shorter or more compact swings. The Head TS6 is an excellent option for beginners and recreational players who prioritize easy power, forgiveness, lightweight handling, and a massive sweet spot. If you want a racket that makes tennis feel easier without spending a fortune, the TS6 is definitely one to consider. And now, number 1. Babolat Evo Strike Tennis Racket, 2nd Gen. Next up, we have the Babolat Evo Strike 2nd Gen, a versatile tennis racket designed for players who want a strong combination of power, control, and comfort as they develop their game. With a 102 square inch head, 290-gram unstrung weight, and a 16 by 19 string pattern, the Evo Strike offers a forgiving hitting area while still providing enough stability and control for more confident players. Its 27-inch length and 320mm balance also give it a well-rounded feel on the court. One of its key technologies is control frame technology, which combines the stability of a square beam design with the dynamic response of an elliptical structure. This helps deliver more predictable control and precision, particularly during baseline rallies. The Babolat Evo Strike 2nd Gen is an excellent choice for recreational and improving players who want easy power without giving up control and comfort. If you're looking for a balanced racket that can grow with your game, this one is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking up, and I'll catch you in the next video.